Look at start recording, but 300 duration. Auto stop streaming button.
Context.
And I think we are
Microsoft Map. Switch YouTube. Active. Close YouTube. Closing YouTube. Get connected to level. FaceTime. FaceTime calls. Search. Page 1 of page 2 of 9. Page 3, page 4, page 5 of page 6 of
hope
page
we're
7,
not
page 8 of 9.
live in another
Page 9 of
one.
9. Showing out library. App library. Checkpoints.
I don't think we are anyway.
Cancel. Section index. B. C. App library. Search. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. X. Y. YouTube. Choose content. Choose play. Choose content. Choose content. Heading. Heading. Search. Alt. Switch. Alt. Step word. Back. Search. More. Alt. 1. Edit. Select. Short. Play. New Year. Go to channel. New Year's live stream. Go to channel. Tech World. Tech World. Live. Play video. Photos. Line edit page. O. Double space. D. O. Space. Share play is unavailable. Share play. Okay. Okay. Button. Video player. Auto. Tap. Capture. Play. Reach. Pause. Button. Play. Adding. Learn more. Welcome. Open reactions. 0. Nice try. Welcome to the chat. Chat message. Adding. Learn. Welcome. Open. 1. Nice try. Open reaction. Welcome. Learn. Adding. Chat message. Input. Chat. Ellipsis.
Okay, we are live, guys. The time? The time? Yeah. Do you want to say hi to the viewers?
Nah.
Well, we have no one watching. I don't think right now.
Chat message. Input. Learn more. Welcome. Open. Nice try.
We have God watching. At least that's what Christian said.
Still generating.
But anyway, happy 2026. Even though it's literally only been a day since I've done my previous live stream, so
Clickable add photos.
yeah, don't complain.
VM network adapter. VM name home assistant.
So Natan, before you carry on with anything else, I just want to have a few words with the viewers. I just want to recap 2025. We really should have done this in the New Year's live stream countdown, but we had no time, unfortunately, because I had to go downstairs and see my mum and my mum's boyfriend, because we were watching the fireworks. Oh my god. Natan, did you see those fireworks outside of my house?
I know.
They were so
Application.
loud.
System dialog. The system dialog. Content is empty. Ops 32.0.4. Pro application. System dialog. Content is empty. Ops page. Stop streaming. Speech muted.
Mine were terrible.
Yeah, like, and also ITV, unfortunately, you did it a minute late. Like, because this stupid newsreader decided to say we need to recap 2025. It wasted a minute. So we actually had the fireworks 1 minute after 12. And the bells were like really late on time. And like after the bells, oh my god, we opened the window downstairs. Nah, this huge firework just decided to like blast all of its things. Lots of smoke, like lots of these plastic things went everywhere. Like, they went from outside of my window to like a van, which is someone's work next door. Yeah, it just went crazy. I thought it was gonna end up in the actual living room. But yeah, like it was really good though. Like I did like it.
Ring the bell.
He's obsessed with Roscoe McGillicuddy. Don't complain.
You are.
I'm not. Well, I was the one that introduced it to you. You were not even bothered when I first played it.
Copy. Name left. Copy.
It sounds terrible on the phone. And I was
Enable
like,
Windows optional feature on
why do you like this?
Microsoft. I will be on.
But anyway, Natan, can you pause that for a sec?
OS.
Yeah, I want to recap 2025. Wasn't
All
2025?
it is at pizza.
Huh?
Nothing.
But yeah, 2025, especially for my YouTube career, was absolutely amazing. I didn't get like a million subs like all those other YouTubers did, but I am a small content creator and you have supported me throughout the year in 2025. And basically any year that I have been on YouTube, to be honest, because like, you know, you're the OGs. Like, I bet in the future when I get like a lot of subscribers or my YouTube doesn't get shut down, unfortunately. That's if it does, you know, I'm just saying. But I am...
Jinx it.
Huh?
Don't jinx it.
I know, that's what I mean.
Nice guy.
You know, I would appreciate a lot of support, like a lot of subscribers in the near future, because that would mean a lot to me. Although subscribers don't really mean anything to no one. You're just getting, you know, a number, and a number is just a number. Like, it's not gonna last with you through your whole life. Like, I know a lot of famous YouTubers who have quit and have a lot of subscribers but don't even care about that. You know, you see these live streamers on YouTube now that just crave for subscribers. They crave for all the attention. They crave for fame. I don't crave for fame. I just like the content that people upload. I don't sub. I just view it. And people that complain about not liking and subbing really need to understand the YouTube policy and the algorithm that YouTube does. Because when you watch that video, you're going to get a lot of things that are related to that video. That's what an algorithm is. So yeah, just watch videos that you like, and then you'll get videos that you like again, because that's an algorithm. You know, an algorithm is according to what you like.
Yeah.
So, you know, if you watch my videos, you'll get a lot of tech videos because that's my algorithm. And that's another reason why I put my channel as Alfie's Tech World in the first place. My original channel name, if you were not new to the channel at the time, was Alfie's World. For a few months, my handle was Alfie's World 2378. That got changed to just Alfie's Tech World. One word, because YouTube, you can't have channel handles with spaces. So yeah, I've set my thing as Alfie's Tech World, as the voiceover says it, but also Alfie's Tech World. So, you know, Nathan Copycat, as usual, copied my channel name and my previous channel name handle, so it's not actually.
And you've copied about 500 of my lines, so it's.
I didn't copy your lines.
Yeah, you did.
When?
Yesterday.
What do you mean yesterday?
Don't you remember yesterday?
Well,
Sorry, I meant today.
oh yeah, when I said the time is nothing.
Yeah.
Well, I had to get you back from that. I was gonna say it anyway.
Well, even if.
Let's see if the chat has got anything to say.
There's only one thing to say.
Open reactions net 1. Nice guy. Well, learn.
Nothing.
Added books. Learn more.
Nothing in that.
Chat. Added books. Learn more. Well, open reactions menu. 1.
I really.
Okay. No.
But anyway, let's carry on. So yeah, I gained, I believe, in 2025 in total, around 50 something subscribers.
No, it's like 30.
No, it was 40 or something like that. 40 or 50 subscribers, because I remember like early 2025, it was like.
Sorry, 38, because I remember you used to have 12 subscribers.
No, I used to have 14, and besides, and now I'm 63.
See Hyper V Home Assistant House.
So actually, I have
with 3 icons,
gained
waiting,
59 subscribers.
Level 2 or 3.
I think. Wait a minute. No, 49 subscribers. So yeah, and I hope that in 2026 we get over 100. That is my goal. Over 100 subscribers, and then it will be good, I think.
My goal was 150.
I hope that we do get that actually, because that would be good. But yeah.
Because 150 is when you start to get a bit more, like,
Attention.
a bit more views and your channel gets, more visible.
That's why the Technological Genius has got a bit popular, although he has friends that share things with friends, and it just ends up like
And
that. But yeah.
VM switch name, external switch net adapter name, Ethernet allowed
So
added.
yeah, what are your goals for 2026 in YouTube, and what are you planning actually? Because you haven't really said what you're planning.
well, I'm going to start doing TTS skits.
With the help of me and Joseph, of course.
Obviously, there's going to be some funny ones.
Oh yeah.
Ones.
Oh yeah, and text-to-speech content's also coming out for me this year. Sorry about the delays of Microsoft Sam and Mac Alex's Great Adventures. That is still going to plan, guys. It's just that, you know, with the Mac problem.
I mean, I'll be creating the Adventures of Microsoft Sam.
Huh?
I'll be creating the Adventures of Microsoft Sam.
Oh yeah, and we have a surprise for you in December this year. Oh yes. I couldn't do it last year. I couldn't do it last year, mainly because I just didn't have the time. But this year, I guarantee it will happen. That's right. Microsoft Sam and Mac Alex's Christmas special, and it's not gonna start. It's gonna start none other than 1, the Technological Genius. 2, Nathan's Tech World. Well, that's if he decides to make a sub account, which I bet he will, because you know, Nathan's Tech World TTS Productions or something.
Actually, no, I won't be doing that.
I mean, I have created Alfie's Tech World TTS Productions. If you want to subscribe to that, I haven't uploaded anything.
On my channel, there's a TTS Productions playlist.
So yeah, go to Alfie's Tech World TTS Productions and sub to that for preparation.
Or just subscribe to my channel, Nathan's Tech World, and soon you'll see a new playlist called TTS.
So the content that I will be uploading to the text-to-speech channel is basically Microsoft Sam and Mac Alex's. No, Microsoft Sam and Mac Alex's Great Adventures, or Mac Alex and Microsoft Sam's Great Adventures, depending on which one I'm not going to choose, because I still haven't made the first lines yet. But you can bet on that it will be coming out, I reckon, in May, maybe, or June, because, you know, I have to get editing software and all that. And I also have to, like, edit all the things together and all that. Because what I'm also going to do for the Christmas special, Nathan, hold on. I'm going to mute my mic because we need to discuss on this one. Let me just get my mic.
FaceTime video.
Oh, shut up.
Double tap to open app.
Now I'll be doing
Ops 30 phase menu volumes move mix slash volume slider for mix slash open tick checkbox.
Hold on.
Tick move mix.
Learn more.
Yes, Anne.
Learn more. Video player. Clap on cap.
Yeah.
We have muted it, wait.
Learn more. Video player. Clap on cap.
Yeah.
We have
YouTube.
muted it, wait.
On cap. Pause. Play.
Oh, problem.
Move mix slash open tick checkbox. Unticked.
Or if you are about to paste text that apps paste that Windows PowerShell.
Okay, fine. Yeah, so for the Christmas special, Nathan, I'm thinking, I think we should do a Google Drive or a Dropbox link for Joseph and stuff, because Nathan,
Yeah?
can you stop that? Yeah, so I'm thinking of creating either a Google Drive link or a Dropbox link for all of us for the Christmas special, I think.
What, like a collaboration thing?
Yeah.
I think I know how we can do it.
How?
So, the problem with doing a collaboration thing is it won't be synced.
It will. Won't it?
So we'll have to look for something that can sync it.
Won't it be? I think it is.
No, I don't think it is, sorry.
It is. Wait, hey
Well,
Google. Hey Google. If you do a collaboration link on Google Drive or Dropbox, is every file synced to all the users that have collaborated?
Yes. When you use a collaboration link on Google Drive or Dropbox, the files are synced to all collaborators. This means everyone invited to the shared file or folder will see the latest version and any changes made to it.
So yeah, we can do that.
Okay.
So Guys, expect great content coming out this year. I'm also going to start a series on music production. So that.
Can I explain some TTS series I'm gonna make?
Go on. You're going to be very busy this year.
Yeah. There's the Great Adventures of Microsoft Sam.
The Great Adventures of Microsoft Sam.
Yeah, he goes through
A tantrum.
Application. System dialog. The system dialog. Content is
He
empty.
goes through the
Log
history
current ops.
of
Ops 32.0.4. Profile. Untitled. Scenes. Untitled. Window. Music slash open text checkbox.
Shut up.
He goes through the history of TTS as the first ever
Excuse
TTS voice, but it'll be like a fantasy version of it.
The fantasy
They're quite
version will
interesting.
contain none other than Tux, who wants to destroy your computer. Bam! Bam!
I
Bam! Bam!
I actually will add Tux.
Oh god.
Oh, and by the way, Tux does not do anything to your computer. It's just the Linux mascot thing.
Samuel X is funny when he adds Tux, because Tux essentially comes to comes to Cyber Windows Studios, and what happens is he opens his door and then decides to grab his computer and smash it. It's like, hi, I have come to repair your computer. We have received reports of a computer that is damaged. So I'm gonna damage it even more! Bam, bam, bam!
I mean, Tux was never in Fedora, actually. Like,
How
even if it
dare!
was an assistant,
How
it was
dare
never.
Fedora abandon the Linux mascot? That is a insult. That is a complete and utterly insult. Like that is definitely an insult.
I think Ubuntu made it.
Did I? Ubuntu.
And then abandoned it. Then there's Evil Linux, which has eSpeak, and it's a Linux distro of Orca, but it's evil.
Hello, I am Orca and I am evil. Ha 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 ha.
No, it's not like that.
Oh yeah,
You
you also need to add eSpeak to your series, because what needs to happen is, like, when Microsoft Sam goes into the Linux universe, he needs to meet eSpeak, and it's like, hello, Microsoft Sam, are you the voice on Windows XP? Well, you suck, because Linux is the best. Ha 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 ha. Or something like that. And then, like, Microsoft Sam says, don't you even dare. And then, like, Microsoft Sam and eSpeak have, like, a battle, and then, like, eSpeak wins, and it's like, Linux is overall winner. Unfortunately, I can't let you stay here, so bye bye. Enjoy your eternal reign of terror.
Actually, no, it'll be like this. So, in Microsoft Sam's Great Adventures,
Copying mine.
well, the Great Adventures of Microsoft Sam, whatever.
The Great Adventures of Microsoft Sam and Mac Alex.
When he goes to the part where there's eSpeak, he gets transported to the world of Fedora.
Speaking of which, I'm also thinking of making a provider on Star where you can use Mac voices. I know that there is a MacSay.py thing, but like...
Wait, hold on. But it's funny, because you know how Fedora has the high-pitched eSpeak thing? Where it's really funny because it's like, hey, I am eSpeak. I am like Mike.
And then, like, Microsoft Sam, like, takes that version and shows Mike, and, like, they say, like, they're, like, a power couple.
And that they both sound like ladies. At least that's what someone else says. That would be funny.
That's what Scotty says. I want bologna sandwiches. Bologna. Needs more bologna. Bologna. Oh my god, I can't say that.
What about the thing where, like, what's his name again?
Bacon.
Yeah, the one for Bacon. I forgot his name.
Bacon. Baseball bacon. Bacon.
Bacon sweets with bacon.
Oh!
Did you forget about that?
Uh-huh.
Speech off. Speak. Learn. Welcome to Open Reactions. 1. Night top message. 1. Open. Learn. Add chat messaging.
Speech unmuted. Mute volume slider. Finder. Safari. FaceTime. Terminal. Visual Studio Suno. QuickTime Player. Suno. Visual Terminal. Terminal. Full screen. Healthy lane. ZSH. Shell text. CD. S. T. A. R. / USER. Healthy lane. Healthy macro. P. Y. THON. 3. Python 3. S. T. A. R. * period. P. Y. New / library / traceback. Most. Python is launched in tops. Term from iPhone. Python. Start client. Voice names. Roger Laidback. Roger Lake. Sarah Mature. Lauren. Charlie. George. Callum. Perimeter. Eric. Liam. Alice. Matilda. Alex. Jessica. Eric. Chris. Ryan. Lily. Adam. Bill. Philip. Marley. Ghost. Matthew. 11. Ghost. Marley. 11. Ghost. Matthew. 11. Alloy. Ash. Alloy.
Windows Power
Ash.
Shell. Windows
Alloy. Voice. text. Speech muted.
Greater VHD Pat C. Greater Generation 2. Greater PS Black. PSC. Windows System 32. Greater New VM. Black E expression.
Hello, you guys?
Followed by plus category plus or shell at C.
Hello, you guys?
PowerShell profile.ps1:6:19. Invoke expression. Cannot bind argument to parameter command because it is an empty string. Info of Mamba 18 * backtrace and 20 *. House over 6. Search box blank. NTE. Notepad. Unit 0 zip. O. 18,006 blank.
What are the tech nerds talking about today?
External switch quote.
Nathan.
Parents return.
Yeah.
ChatGPT wants to say something.
What are the tech nerds talking about today?
Rob, quote, homeless / me dash hyper C quote C colon back HYEER dash me back HOMEASSISTANT quote space Rob. House over 16.3. House over 6. Downloads. Details show more options. 11 of 11. Star on 000.bat. Notepad. Row 1. Column 2. Star on 0. Blank. Parents return. Quote. External quote. Switch dash. Parents from Rob. Quote. Home assistant. / O. MEASSISTANT. Quote. Space Rob. Space. Quote. TNATSISSAEMO. Back me. REDY. /
You shall die.
/ U.
Ha 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 ha.
H O O A O S dash O V A dash 1 6
Not funny at all.
3 dot P H D X.
Speech on voices. Voice native Coral. Echo. Clip mode on stage. Shimmer. Daniel. Daniel long form. Daniel Critter. Patrick. Joanna. Root long form. Root text. FM standard. Brian Moore. Brian Amy Arthur. Amy standard. Arthur. Amy general. Brian Moore. Out of voice. Quick text. You are currently on the text area. Speech muted.
Space Rob. Character space dash AME space quote HOMEASSISTANT quote space Rob. Parent space dash DENERATION space 2 space Rob. Parent space dash.
There are 3 items today.
RTUBYTES space 2 P 2 4 5 B space Rob. Parent space dash BOOT.
Alexa, how do you spell available?
Space quote C quote back YEER dash me back HOMEASSISTANT AOS dot BHDX quote XDAV dot
Nathan, listen.
There are 3 items available at this time.
God.
Dash REDYH
There are 3 items available at this time.
colon C colon back quote USERS backslash NA.
There are 3 items available at TH.
WNLOAES backslash HAOS dash.
There are 3 items ACA.
1 6 dot 3 dot.
There are 3 items avail.
X quote space.
There are 3 items of. There are 3 items A.
Alexa, How do you spell available?
Download history. Group SWP command prompt settings column start with chat dot command settings add text sign in red Spotify link Skype for this star on it house over 6 chat GP Hyper-V Microsoft house over 6
Natan.
SWP command prompt command.
Listen.
There are 3 items available at this time.
Okay.
Warning, you are about to paste, can't paste anyway.
There are 3 items available at this time. There are 3 items available at this time.
C. Switch name is not recognized as an internal or external star on it 00 house over 16.3 dot chat GPT and 2 more chat copy. 2VM. HPAT-C. Switch name. Level 2.5. PowerShell.
Baby standard. Arthur Rule. Russell standard. Nicole standard. Jen Jared and Rule. And Rule. Jared Crystal standard. Jennifer Arthur Rule. You are currently on the text element inside the table. To navigate the cells within the table, press Control Option and then up arrow, down arrow, left arrow, right arrow. To exit this table, press Control Option Shift up arrow. Speech muted.
Space C-O-M-M-A-N-D-A-N-O-T space F-O-U-N-D space I space E-H-I-N A space I.
Quick voices. Voice name table. Row 1 of 553. Voice name Roger Lane. Sarah Lauren. Charles George. Catherine. Eric. Alice. Will. Just Eric. Smooth. Chris Sharp. Brian. Dan. Lily. Adam. Bill. Flip. Mark. Post. Matt. Al. Ad. Or. Ed. Fit. No. Sid. Shimmer. Dan. Ruth. Kevin. Sal. Matt. Matthew. Matt. Timber. Tim. Justin. Jojo. Ivan. Steve. Kevin. Demers. Brian. Kate. Parker. Casual. General. Cathedral. Standard. Arthur Rule. Out of voices. Quick. Edit text. Insertion. End of text. Hello.
PowerShell. Chat GP. Level 2. Run. PowerShell. Copy. Get that adapter. You will see something like SCSS. You will see get copy.
Speech muted.
Copy.
Hello.
Command, command, get that adapter. Get that adapter is not recognized as an internal. Chat GPT and 2. Get
Hi.
that. You will see SSS copy. Ethernet. It's Wi-Fi. It write down exactly what appears under E.G. Listen to the PowerShell. Copy. 2BS switch name external switch get adapter name level 2. PowerShell. Copy. Switch name external title. Level 2 over the Hyper-V module is loaded. Level 2 over 2BS switch itself is not recognized. The PowerShell. Copy. Get Windows optional meter on one meter name copy. Command prompt low 1 map. Get Windows optional meter. Get Windows optional meter is not recognized. Command chat GPT and copy. It was module Hyper-V. Copy. Command it was module.
Hi, I'm Alia. Speaking to you through the Echo.Max.
Copy. Get the end switch. You will see. Copy. Switch type. Copy. Home assistant. Clickable at O-N-O-N-E space O-N space C-A-O-U-S space
Speech muted. X.
space A-R-E
Speech muted.
R-C-O-E-N-I-S-E-E contact. Chat GPT contact. Level 6 scholarship under the almost always one. Level 2 police car. Level 3 check mark but 1. You are not actually empowered even if you are. Level 3 constant 2 run on Windows Phone. Hyper-V started letting confirm with 1. Level 2 set hybrid back to back. Copy. Echo percent com sec percent. Level 3 of the script something like make file. Copy Windows system 32 CMD.exe. Right arrow run command prompt. PowerShell C copy.
Hi, I'm Alexa. Speaking to you through the Echo.Max.
Natan. Listen.
Hi, I'm Alexa. Speaking to you through the Echo.Max.
Windows PowerShell with Echo percent com sec. Yes, Windows system 32 bigger.
Hi. 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 Question mark. Hi. 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 Hi.
iPhone, navigation menu, power, back, all, number 1 of 22, 7 of 2 of 22, take 1 of 8.
I don't know that one. I don't know that one. I don't know that one.
Voice name. Standard. Company standard. Casual generative. Casual Rule. Russell standard. Nicole Selena generative. Olivia Moore. Jared standard. Arya Moore. And generative. R. Jared standard. Out of voice. Quick edit text.
I don't know that one.
Enter script. You are currently on edit text. Insertion and end of text. I don't know that one.
Windows PowerShell administrator. Windows PowerShell. Grader switch name external grader grader.
Speech muted.
Grader switch name external branch. What phone forward by the what? Hyper grader switch grader switch grader UBS. Hyper-V was unable to find the
Hello.
Pseudo station greater. S-E-W. E-N. The term Zoom is not recognized as the name of a thread function. Script
Hello, I am a Welsh voice.
Windows PowerShell, Windows PowerShell. Administrator, Windows .NET 0.0.bat, Windows Voice Assistant, download lenses, Windows Voice AI Voice Assistant, Windows PowerShell 01, Administrator, Windows .NET 0.0.0.2, copy, get command, get command words, you are writing it up, copy, Windows, level 3 of the set, with 1 higher bullet.
I am probably one of the only Welsh voices on this land.
Close left education right arrow, copy, get Windows optional feature online links to Hyper-V. If Hyper-V is disabled, enable it. Copy, enable Windows settings, boot up. Copy, multi-line editable asset. Copy.
I am probably one of the only Welsh voices on this land. It is crazy to think that. Scouser backslash. Scouser. Wales. England. Scotland. Scotland.
Voice native world. They had the generative. They had the move. I am fest micro fred key mic fest I am generative. They had the world. They had the generative. Out of voice edit text. Speech muted.
Hey. How are you doing? 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 How are you DOI? How are you doing? 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 How are you doing slash? How are you doing slash? Main menu. Main menu. Main menu. Main menu. Main menu. Contacts, key list. Contacts, key list. Contacts, key list. Contacts, key list.
Chat message, adding notes, learning, welcome, open react, 1, nice, top messages.
Start, close, minimize, close, start, voice edit text, outputs up, edit text, render the options, exit, up, render the disk button. In terminal, ops, Finder, Safari, FaceTime, Visual Studio, find ops, terminal, Python, from iPhone App Store, disk utility, text edit, Scode, music, avid link, music, Scode, text, disk utility. Type disk utility over, disk selected, disk data level, Mac OS data, disk images, expand, Apple disk image media, eject container, disk 5, box image, iOS 26. Apple disk image media, eject container, disk 7, box LM Studio 0.3, Apple user read only, Pro Tools, eject, Apple user read only, Mostack plugin, Apple user read only, Mostack plugin, Apple disk image, Op Studio 32.0.4, Apple, eject out of disk verticals, disk icon, Op Studio 500, disk image volume, bullet used. 3. 473.1 MB used, 55.9 MB 3. Mount point, read slash volume slash Op Studio 32 points type. Disk image volume capacity, 529 MB capacity, owners. Disabled owners, available, 55.9 MB connection, disk image connection used, 473.1 MB used. You are currently on the text element. Use disk clip of disabled clock of the cops mount clip for use clock disk vertical disk over disk selected disk Apple Pro Tools ejected Apple SSD AP 1000 internal expanded Apple container disk 3 Macintosh HD volumes out of disk vertical splitter disk selected Macintosh HD expanded out of disk selection table the disk Macintosh HD snapshot level 5 data level 4 out verdict disk type data comp AP 806 Mac OS 866.61 GB capacity Mac OS 26 shared by 6 volumes used other volumes used 3 228.2 GB used 153.37 GB other volumes. You are currently disk icon match home up vertical split disk type data comp AP 806 Mac OS shared by used APFS data volume 800 macOS 20 shared by 866.61 GB capacity. Mac shared by 6 used. APFS data volume bullet 800 macOS 26 shared by 6 used. Other volume 3 228.20 APFS 806 macOS 866.61 macOS shared by 6 used. Other 3 216 mark slash type. APFS capacity. Elar currently Python stop. Terminal off. Finder. Finder applications with Safari system settings. Applicate open system settings. 100 increase input 100 out of sound vertical split sidebar inside mode with spot menu displays menu spot mode sound focus screen empty set out of sidebar table inside lock screen time focus sound mode with spot menu display desktop Apple intelligent appearance accessible general out of vertical scroll area manager about soft storage button storage over storage vertical storage install 244 Macintosh HD 244.54 GB 866.61 GB used. Elar 67.23 GB document 67.25 applications 420 music create develop 40 points music 300 set application document 67. Quit it fine.
Double I N D O double S 1 E R O. Back 3 copy press. Level 6 open. Access to our power command power present. Level 2 step 1. Check your Python being installed and power cell up. Get Windows optional H level 3 1 FPGA delivery items save disable mode. Disable.
Out of right vertical sidebar inside text document downloads out of vertical areas list view find text file folder op studio link for Thunder's processing FA processing log LM studio Google Visual Studio SCHA3 SCHA1 Samsung website for test 5 full test 4 test 3 test win 11 underscore 25 H2 underscore English underscore X64 move the pin win 11 underscore team talk underscore win 11 underscore 24 H2 underscore English underscore ARM 64 ISO move the pin team UTM each payment full scale at where product megabit 2 voiceover Python Ableton POC Llama scope projects full doc TV 14 of 38 actions available Elar pin 38 of 38 bin finder empty button cancel empty bin are you sure you want
49% battery power. Charging. Status bar item. Learn more. Button. Add. Your. Well, open reaction. 1. Nice try.
Python. Terminal. Ops. Safari. Terminal. Terminal. Use shell text left login. Now attack. LS. Desktop movie star documents music star 2 downloads Llama chat app virtual machines. Localized library pictures live chatter public healthy lane Elfies MacBook Pro til percent CD. L. I. V. E. T. H. A. T. T. E. R. Healthy lane Elfies MacBook Pro live chatter percent. LS. Compile. CMD literature. I readme. MD requirements. TXT sounds healthy lane Elfies MacBook P. Y. T. H. O. N. 3. Python 3. L. I. V. E. T. H. A. T. T. E. R. Literature comma. P. Y. Y. P. Comma. Literature period. P. Y. New line literature. I new line. Python. Live chatter. Window. And URL space YouTube live stream URL video ID. Chat mode. Standard. Read messages. Menu button. Interact standard. Stop it. Standard. Read messages. Menu button. You are currently on the menu button. To choose this menu item, press Control Option Space. Space YouTube live stream URL video ID. Edit text. You are currently on Python. 16 running applications. Live chatter. Windows user menu. Standard. Read messages. Live chatter. Current. Live chatter. Standard. Read messages from Python. Dialog. Standard. Empty summaries. Periodic text. Summaries. Standard. Read messages. Text. Summaries. Periodic text. Summaries. Standard. Read messages. Text. Face YouTube live stream chat standard and TTS provider. Standard. Read messages. Menu and system. Screen reader / SAPI 5. Menu button. And TTS provides SAPI 5. Windows. Menu. System engine. SAPI 5. Face YouTube live stream URL video ID. Live chatter. Windows user menu. 2 items. SAPI 5. SAPI 5. Dialog. Empty column. Screen reader. Auto. Text. Screen reader. SAPI 5. Windows. Text. Screen reader. Auto. Text. Empty screen reader. Auto. Text. Face YouTube live stream chat stand and TTS system. Screen reader / SAPI 5. Menu button. SAPI 5. Windows. Menu button. Face YouTube live stream URL video ID. Edit live chat. Windows user SAPI 5. Windows. Dialog. Screen reader. Auto. Text. Face YouTube live stream chat stand and TTS system. Screen reader. Auto. Menu button.
Nathan.
Yeah.
It works. The live chatter thing does work.
Okay.
Just like,
Voice control by screen reader. Menu button. The dialog. Top 5. How often do automatically generate options? But start and stop. No action of it. Ready. Text. Ready. Text. Stop. Start options. Button. 5 summary. Voice and voice. Message assist and text and chat mode. Face YouTube live stream URL video ID. Terminal. Finder. Python. Ops. Safari. Safari. Ops. Limit out of Ops Studio. Tab. Over. Full tab bar. Over. And tab. Go. Page. Add page 127. Selection deleted. Free YouTube, Yahoo, com, complete HTTPS, /www, Yahoo, guide, button, visited, GB, search, and search, tool, create mode, tool, end of navigate, link, visited, link, visited, link, view, you are currently, visited, link, LTS, tech world, link, show, edit, main, tap to watch, edit, level 1, tap to watch, live, button, main, YouTube, link, video, control, button, tap, go, edit, auto, play, live, auto, play, button, mute one, live, auto plays on, skip one, mute, late, YouTube, make out, tap, over, and tap, go, page, add page, HTTPS, /www, copy, Python, and URL face YouTube live stream URL video ID, edit text. You are currently on the US5ZF underscore KSZ and HT chat standard and teeth system, message screen and voice control, summary, and 5 options, button, start, button. You are currently on the button, stop, button, system starting chat for video ID, US5ZF under, empty column, connecting the chat, text, connecting the chat, text. Connecting the chat. Text. Connecting the chat. Connecting the connecting the chat. Text. Connecting the chat. Character navigation. Character words. Connecting the chat. Text. Characters. You are currently connecting the chat. Text. You are currently on the text element.
One. Learn more. Add chat message input. Chat ellipsis. Text field. Chat message input. Cap T. Cap R. R. Big neck. Space. Number. Delete. R. E. E. D. S. S. T. T. Big neck. Send. Send. Video player. Button.
Level 2, what is missing?
Connecting the chat. Connecting to L5. Empty to L5 world. Test text. Connecting to L5 world. Test text. System starting chat. Connecting the chat. Text to L5 world. Test text. You are currently on the text element.
Chat message input. Chat ellipsis. Text field. Insertion code. Cap H. Cap V. Cap G. Cap G. O. O. D. D. Next. Send. Video player. Button. Heading.
System starting stop button. System stop start. No action options. But start stop system L5. Connecting the chat. L5 world. Test text. Connecting the chat. System starting chat. L5 text. Out of system starting chat for stop start option 5 summary and interval voice control summary and 5 options 5 how often to automatically generate a summary the minutes options the stop system to L5 world connecting to L5 world test text system starting chat stop button. You are currently on the button. To click system stop system L5 disconnected. Disconnect L5 world. Go to text. System stop start options 5 how often to automatically generate a summary the minutes the dialog content is empty Python as new dialog options but 5 how often to automatically summary and enter 5 how often the dialog content is empty Python as new dialog. You are currently on the stepper. To the authentication, if an app doesn't respond for a while, select force zoom in close button. Python summer voice and screen assist and chat and live close button. Safari web https//terminal. Terminal live chatter ZSH 120 times 30 window live chat shell text last login P Y T H O N 3 Python 3 L I V E C H A T T E R live chatter period P Y new line live chatter 5 port Python and UR paste YouTube chat mode paste YouTube live stream URL video ID edit text. Awesome 5 chat mode standard read messages and TTS system message screen reader auto menu and voice can summary and interval 5 how often to automatically generate a summary the minutes the dialog content is empty summary 5 how often stepper 1 the dialog content is out of 1 how often to automatically generate a summary the minutes stepper options button start button stop no action available ready text start button. You are currently on the button. Stop system starting. Empty. Connecting the chat. System starting chat for video ID. Awesome 5 ZF1. Empty. System starting. Connecting the system. Stop. System. Connecting. System starting. Empty column. You are currently on connecting the chat. System starting chat for video ID. Awesome 5 ZF underscore KSZU text.
Video player.
You are currently on the text element.
Chat message input. Chat ellipsis. Text field. Insertion point. Cap V. Cap V. Next. Send. Video player. Heading.
Empty column. Start. No action available. Options. Start. Stop. System start. Empty column. System starting chat for video. L5 world. Connecting to L5 world. V text. You are currently on the text element.
Chat message input. Chat ellipsis. Text field. Insertion point. Cap F. Cap F. Next. Send. Video player. Button. Heading.
Start. No options. Start. Stop. System starting. Empty L5 world. F text. Connecting to L5 world.
Wait, Natan.
Yeah.
I want you to test my chat.
Can't you do it?
I've tested it, but I want to see if your channel pops up.
What do you mean if my channel pops up?
Because I've set up live chatter.
What do you mean by that? It will only show messages.
I just want to see if it works with your channel because I've tested mine.
Obviously it works.
Yeah, but I want to see.
Error to return. Graph.
In a second.
Spelling error out of spelling error. Dash. Spelling error.
Terminal. Live chatter. Python live chatter. Type 120 times 30 window. Shell text last login. Thursday, Jan 121. 13. 58 on 5000. Alfie Link Alfie's MacBook Pro Sil % LS. Desktop movies audio devices unrecognized channel. Index. 47 label. 48 audio devices unrecognized channel. Index. 49 label. 50 audio devices unrecognized channel. Index. 51 label. 52 audio devices unrecognized channel. Lip full screen button. Actions available. You are currently on the button. To click this button, press Control Option Space. To zoom the window, press Control Option Command Space first to bring up the action menu.
Video player. Button. Heading.
System model TTS unavailable in L5 world. F.
Chat message input. Chat ellipsis. Text field. Insertion point. Cap D. Cap D. Next. Send. Video player.
System model TTS unavailable in L5 world. D.
Administrator. Windows PowerShell Warning. You are hand spaced anyway. Windows PowerShell Administrator. Windows PowerShell. Greater switch name defaults. Greater bottom. Greater blank bottom.
What the hell?
Greater switch name default switch. Greater.
Hello?
Great blank bottom blank. Greater switch name greater blank bottom blank. Greater switch name great blank bottom blank. Star new VM name home chat GPT and 2 more take chat. Copy not pressed. Complimentary landmark login. Sign up multi-line question.
Support. Settings. Road. Clock. ChatGPT. Use it. Settings. Clock. Chat. Messages. Teams. WhatsApp. Team Talk.
Level 6, no problem. Have you did anything wrong?
Team Talk. Preferences. Serverless.
Level
Connect.
2, please do this exactly at the same
Alpha.
PowerShell
Disconnect.
window.
Creep. Alpha. Silent. Text messaging. Admin room 0. Channel. View. Hangout 0. Check. View. Text 1. This is for channel. View. TX. Inactive. Tab bar. Disconnect. Disconnect. Preferences. Button. Access preferences.
PowerShell. Copy. Cursor.vhdx. Level 3 with the speeds. With 2 items forward. If NVDA reads the file name and forward. If NVDA says file not found, right arrow, the file is not. Level 2 if it says.
Oh yeah, I hate VHDXs.
Why?
Because if you try to run them in a virtual machine, it doesn't work.
PowerShell.
How?
Because let me just explain. Because I used a application that was published on the Microsoft Learn thing, and that completely failed.
Copy. Listen for downloads. And 2. PowerShell. Copy. CD downloads. Cursor.vhdx. Level 2, what I need from you. Please reply with exactly what NVDA reads at PowerShell. Copy. Cursor.vhdx. Once we go back, press copy.
So yeah, I wouldn't create VHDX if I were you.
H-I-P-E-R-V space I-S space N-O-T space W-O-R-K-I-N-G. ChatGPT.
Yeah, I wouldn't create a VHDX if I were you.
Well, on the Home Assistant website it says it works.
It doesn't.
Copy not pressed. Clickable multi-line editable not pressed. Unlock me immediately. All Hyper-V issues. I can give you a step-by-step NVDA-friendly virtual box setup for Home Assistant that works.
VirtualBox doesn't work.
Simpler with NVDA.
There's only one way now.
What?
How can I download NVDA, like older version that works with the VirtualBox accessibility add-on?
Which versions support it?
I don't know.
I thought that yours would.
Oh, does it require BIOS change?
Huh?
I thought the newer versions would.
It doesn't.
The fastest way to run Home Assistant is using VirtualBox. Copy multi-line editable ask anything. VIREUALBOX space EOT space TS space NOT space WORK space WITH space NVDA space ANE space BFEEWARE space IS space NOT space WORKINE space WITH space HA. ChatGPT is generating a copy not pressed. Level 6. Now it all makes sense. So your situation is chat with 3 items forward. Hyper-V isn't working on your Windows 11 Pro forward. Chat VirtualBox is not usable with NVD forward. Be aware doesn't work well for Home Assistant. We need it with 4 items. 1. Works on Windows 11 Pro. 2. Supports Home Assistant. 3. Is NVDA friendly. 4. Does not require Hyper-V or virtual for best approach. Level 2 checkmark button option. Home Assistant and Docker. Apply NVDA friendly.
Doesn't work.
Docker is you can run Home VMware. Level 3 step 1. Install Docker for Windows. With 2 items. 1. Download Docker desktop. HT2. Install it with 1 use double one. Level 3 step 2. Open PowerShell. Level PowerShell. Copy. WSL. Install. With 2 items forward. Wait for it to finish forward. This sets up a lightweight Linux environment. Level 3 step PowerShell. Copy. Docker for GHC. Level 3 PowerShell. Copy. Docker run D. Name Home Assistant. PC. Home Assistant. 81 with 2 items forward. C. Home Assistant. Constant write it. Copy. Copy Docker. Complement or map login. Sign multi-line editable FEUE space I W space WANE space ADDOS.
App suggestions. Team Talk. 0 hours solid. FaceTime. Spotify. Recently added.
And I'm not
Notebook
using
11.
container.
PL. Recently added full. Utilities. Settings. Passwords. Utilities. Social. Messages. WhatsApp. Messages. Snapchat. Social. Productivity. Files. ChatGPT. Snapchat. Double. Image. Another. Find friends. Maybe. Accept image. You. Another app. Find friends. Another app is using your microphone. Snapchat. Image. 10 plus mutual friends. Find friends. Image. Jinaya. Image. Jinaya. Image. Rabbi Andrew. Add. Rabbi Andrew takes. Add. Image. 10 plus mutual friends. Image. Darcy Vickers. Image. Darcy Vickers 24. Add. Image. 4 plus mutual friends. Image.
How
Zenit.
many times?
Add. Image.
Do I
Zenit 2.
say I'm
Image.
gonna buy
Max Teaser.
anything?
Image. Max Teaser. Image. Add. Image. Max underscore EZR9. Image. And Izzy. Image. On add. Image. 10 plus. Image. Mama face with single thing. Image. Add. Image. I1. Image. Pass. Games. Image. Pass. Image. Definitely under. Add. Image. 7 plus mutual friends. Image. And you. Face. Image. URW. Accept. Image. URW. ARD. N25. Accept. Image. 4 plus mutual friends. Image. URWAKREN25. Accept. Image. 4. Image. Tyler. Image. Black Look. ILIKMONY2. 2013. Add. Image. 4 plus. Image. JNTs. Maybe later. Screenshot. Profile. Search. Spot. Tab. Camera. Chat. Tab. Profile. Search. Chat. Add. One. Image. My. New. Image. Today's news snaps and chats. Middle. News snaps and chats. Middle. Top 3W. News snaps and Teams. News snaps. Pair. Receive. Mask. Aaron. Receive. Middle top. Mask. Aaron. Receive. Middle top 4W. Forever Y6. Receive from Aaron. Middle top 4W.
Nothing. Just nothing.
Python. Safari. Finder. Python. Ops. FaceTime. Ops. Python. Finder. Term Finder. Updated name. Stone project folder collapsed. Applications. Vertical icon new. Number.
Okay.
Safari. Suno application open. Suno window. Suno library. Notification search collection. Playlist codes. Like filter. Free image. Untitled text. Cover. V4 point. Paste track. More vertical. Click 1 thumbs 0 comment 0 free image. Cover. V4 paste more vertical. Click 0 thumbs 0 comma 0 Z image 20 upload the piece 1 click 0 thumbs 0 comma 0 2 image. Untitled text. Untitled text. How to collect search notifications, but search collection image untitled calculate on the player. Next button. Next button. On the player pause button.
Before I continue, I just want to note that these are not copyright. These are copyright free, and also that I got them from the Oppo Find X5. Very good phone. I must add.
On the library text. You are currently on it. Library text notice search select image untitled calculate on the player pause application system dialog and system dialog Suno with next button. Next button.
This is the ringtone.
On the next button. Next button. Next button. Speech muted.
Oh yeah, this one's good.
2.4 installer and the start menu change.
Let's see what's next. I hate this one. Whoa. This is the one.
Speech unmuted.
Right.
Finder, application, window, sudo application, terminal, Python, live chat, start, no act, start options, but one, how often, summary and interval, one, how often to automatically generate some voice control, and voice, screen, system, and DC standard, chat and mode, and system, screen, and voice, one, option, start, stop, system, starting, advise the world, advise empty, advise, connecting the chat, advise the world, text, connecting the chat, advise the world, text, connecting the chat, text. You are currently on the text element.
Social folder, Snapchat. Double tap to open. App switcher, FaceTime video, Snapchat, Team Talk, YouTube, active. YouTube, choose content to use, share, play. 62% battery power. Welcome to Alfie Stack World Group. Welcome to learn more. Add emotes. Chat message input. Add emotes. Chat message input. Chat ellipsis. Text field. Insertion point at cap C. Cap C. Learn more. Live. Add emotes. Chat message input. Send. Button. Send. Dim. Video player. Button.
Advise the connecting the chat. Advise the world. See text. You are currently on the text element. Terminal. Safari. Safari. Free. New Year's live stream. YouTube. Search or enter website name. Window. https://www.yahoo.com/watch. P equals us5zf_ksdu. Content selected. Smart search field. Edit text. Add alternative items. You are currently on the text field inside Explorer. To enter text in this field, type. To show alternative items, press Control Option Command Space and select Show Alternative Item menu item. To navigate items on this Explorer, press Control Option and then up arrow, down arrow, left arrow, right arrow. To exit this Explorer, press Control Option Shift up arrow.
Send. Dimmed. Video player. Button. Heading. Hide player controls.
Copy. Liam state equals power off. Check mark button. Copy. Leave box manage start from home assistant. Copy. Leave box manage start from home assistant. Type GUI. Copy. Home assistant. Local. Home assistant.
Reload this page. https://www. Out of October. Tab bar 3 new tab 3 new main complete YouTube share 39 link mute 1 skip auto subtitles /close settings cinema air full end of heading 60 current like this video dislike share flip save more at 1 started streaming 1 watching now empty group started photo notice group more button heading level 2 live live chat join the convert open end of live frame 0 all select frame 0 welcome link adult chat add emotes chat text entry area. You are currently on the text area T test S T. You are currently on the text area inside of frame 0. To exit this web area, press Control Option Shift up arrow. Python. Type. Connecting to stop button start no action options. 1 how often summary and enter 1 how some place control by summer 1 how option start no stop connecting to stop but start no options. 1 option start stop connecting stop button. You are currently on the systems systems disconnected disconnect systems is the world's productions test text. You are currently on the text element. Stop 1 some point system screen recap candidate and live chat mid close button. Safari free New Year's live stream YouTube win Finder terminal live mid full screen button live shell text left P Y T H O N free Python free L I V E C H A T T E R limiter period T Y new line limiter Python live chatter with chat and screen and voice control summary and 1 options start options button terminal live chatter ZSH 120 times 30 window shell text last login Thursday chat instructions comment L show OK button terminal Safari Finder Python Finder stop Suno application out of vertical sidebar table vertical icon new Suno application stocks application utilities open icon new activity monitor airport audio minis Bluetooth file exchange audio airport utility audio Bluetooth file colors Bluetooth audio airport utility application open airport utility other Wi-Fi devices menu button network group the net internet working normally image internet working out network group other Wi-Fi devices menu button menu 1 item no new Wi-Fi devices discovered dimmed closing menu airport closed minimized closed airport utility. You are currently on the text element. Finder, utilities, disk utility, app, screenshot, app, disk, airport, utility, audio, mini, setup, app, activity, monitor, airport, audio, Bluetooth, file, audio, activity, monitor, audio, Bluetooth, colors, and utility, control, digital color meter, disk utility, app, disk, control, digital, disk, grapher, application, digital color meter, application, control, application, menu, open, show package contents, open. You are currently on the menu item, control, errors and control application, this will allow the app to discover, connect, don't allow button, control, errors and all message, show /hot over, show all errors, sources list, iPhone. Elfie's Apple Watch, app iPhone, Elfie's MacBook iPhone, out of vertical, no messages, streaming log, start streaming button, start streaming button, control -0 messages, window, 1 message, over, 347 messages, over, 590, 750, 789 messages, shows all message, errors and sources, vertical messages list, time type, default type image, default type message, empty cell, process, of time, type, error type image, error type message, Apple app, core Amolite, DRT update, less than private greater than, process, wireless time manager, time, 22, 47, 40 type, default type image, default message, less than private greater than, process, wireless time manager, out of horizontal, wireless time manager, met volatile message state, subsystem, COM, Apple, wireless radio manager, higher category, COM, subvolatile, wireless horizontal, vertical, sources list, errors and faults, all message, show over, 5,840 messages, over, 6,166 messages, over, 6,623 over, 6,911 messages, over, 7,076 messages, over, 7,278 messages, over, 7,638 messages, over, show /, over, 7,837 over, 8,100, over, shows all errors and source error, all shows over, 8,645, over, 8,838 messages, over, 8,900, over, 9,165, over, shows all messages, over, 9,500, over, 9,000, over, 9,700, over, shows all errors and sources list and sources Elfie's Apple Watch, app iPhone, out of vertical messages list and default type image, time, 22, process, wireless time manager, type, default type image, default type, process, wireless time manager, time, type, default type image, type, process, wireless time manager, time, type, default type image, default error type, time, process, of conference, time, type, out of horizontal, conference, volatile message state, subsystem, COM, Apple, of conference, category, Viceroy trace, message category, details, button, 2026-01-0122, 47, 46 point text, VCRC error, protect control, algorithm, stabilization, more underscore, show ramp, into italic, 322 underscore, possession, flyers, voltage 0, and algorithm equals 0, XT4, DC3C000. Text VCR, Viceroy category, COM, Apple, subsystem, volatile message state, of conference, volatile, sub-COM, category, Viceroy, details, 2020 details, button. You are show /hide over, show /hide sources, button, all message errors and sources, vertical, message, horizontal, split, of conference, subsystem, COM, category, vice, hide, volatile, activity ID, 0, message activity identifier, thread ID, 0, explicit, 909, message drop 2026-01, text, VCRC error, text, 9 bit, 0, thread, 0, active, volatile, vice, cat, sub, of course, vertical, source errors and all message, shows over, 21,269 messages, over, 21,000, over, 21,616 messages, over, 21,963 messages, over, 22,092 messages, over, control now, untick, pause, tick, now, activities, unclear, button, reload, but info, tick, clear, act, now, untick, pause, tick, untick, out of 23,800, 23,816 messages, over, 23,816 messages. Over 23,800 messages. Out of over. Now start on tick box. Tick out of 23,817 messages. Over 23,817 messages. Over 24,280 messages. Over 24,590. Over 24,840. Over 26,169 messages. And text messages. Out of 27,290. Over 27,640. Over 34,084 messages. Over and pause tick box until 34,278 messages. Over 34,460 messages. Over 34,460 messages. Over 34,460 messages. Over shows all messages. Errors and sources verticals. Sources lit out of verticals. Messages list. Default type error type image. Error default type error type image. Default time web process of conference. Type default error type image. Time process of conference. Type message. Type error default type image. Default type error type default error time process of conference. Type default type error type default error time process of conference. Type default type error type default error type time process of conference. Type default error type time process of conference. Type error type time process of conference. Type error type image error time process of conference. Type default type image default error type time process sharing of conference. Type default type image default error time process of conference. Type default error time process of conference. Type default error type image error time process with it. Type error type image time process of conference. Type error type out of horizontal with it with subsystem Apple with a policy message message category text hide button follow message state activity ID 0 message active thread ID 0 bit 55 message 2020 text with complete text. When text with complete recommendation notified. Channel score. CHQ equals 4. TX LAN equals 5. RX LAN equals 5. TX loss equals 5. RX loss equals 5. Score equals 0.0%. P95 LAN equals 1. RT equals 0x0. Link recommendation equals 0x 2026 50 bit 0x thread 0 active hide met added cops up with horizontal vertical split sources list errors and all message shows left over. Now untick activities unclear button reload button info tick share button search edit share button. Actions available. You are currently on the search and top over error 20 image. You are currently error 22 47.8 was loose trying to tick error 22. Share button. Info tick reload but clear button. Actions available. Activity clear button out of show slash hide all messages. Show over 0 messages. Over 0 over. Shows all errors. Sources verticals. Message horizontal. Message process subsystem. Message subsystem. Message subsystem. Category. Message category. Message verticals. Sources lit. LT's Apple iPhone.
Guys, I'm gonna end the stream
Finder.
here.
Terminal. Safari. Python. Ops. FaceTime. Ops. Click volume slider for mixed fade. Stop operation. Stop streaming.
So bye guys.
Auto stop streaming button. Dialog. Image. You will not know button. You will not be able to reconnect. Your stream will stop.